Namo Himalaya loved one. Welcome to today's full body stretch and flow. Alright, let's begin by coming to the top of our mat. Stand in Samasthiti and just be here for a few breaths. Deep inhales and gentle exhales. You can take this moment to set an intention for your practice. And then gently inhale, bring your hands up over the head. Stretch out as much as you can and exhale, release the hands back to the side. Inhale up again. Exhale down. Inhale up once more with the hands going all the way up. Exhale, release those hands back to the side. Inhale up. Exhale, bow forward, bring the hands to the mat, bring your head to your knee. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, and release the back. You can grab the ankles if that helps you to stretch out the back a bit more. Inhale all the way up, sweep the hands up over the head. Exhale, return the palms to the ground. Or again, you can grab your knees or grab the back of your ankles. Inhale up. Exhale, return your hands down. And in this motion, we're just stretching out our back as much as possible. Inhale, bring your right leg back. Look forward. And bring your left leg back to meet the right. Exhale, bring your knees to the mat, chest, chin to the mat, and come into Bhujangasana, Cobra. Inhale, look up. Exhale into Down Dog. Beautiful. And now step that left leg forward in between the hands. Look forward, and then bring the right leg to meet the left. Inhale up once more, and exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, bow forward, hands to the mat. Step your left leg back this time, look forward. Step your right leg back, knees, chest, and chin to the mat. Beautiful. Inhale into Bhujangasana. Exhale into Down Dog. And now step your left leg forward in between the hands. Right leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale, hands to your heart center in pranam. And just stand here. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to stretch out the sides so you can bring your feet hip width apart. Inhale, bring the right hand up and stretch over to your left side. Inhale, back up. Inhale, left hand up and stretch to your right. So we're just giving the obliques a nice juicy stretch in this motion. And we're going to repeat that. So inhale, stretch to your left, and return to center. And inhale up, stretch to your right. Beautiful. Inhale, stretch to your left, return to center. Inhale, exhale, stretch to your right, and return to center. Now you're going to place your hands on the top of your bum at your waist and just look back as far as you can. Don't strain yourself. And we're going to repeat that. Inhale as you look back and push the hips forward. And come back to center. Once more, inhale, look back, and return to center. Exhale. Beautiful. Alright, so now just take your hands and swing them around your body, and you're aiming to hit like the lower waist part, and you're gonna move up, hitting the shoulders, and you're just gonna do that for a few breaths just to help get the energy flowing in your body. Just a few more breaths. There we go. And gently come to a stop. Beautiful. Alright, now just stand here, inhale and exhale in Samastiti. Inhale, bring the hands up over the head. Exhale and sit into chair. Beautiful pose to strengthen the thighs, strengthen the booty, and it also even works on your abs. So we're gonna hold, inhale and exhale for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Just a few more. Beautiful. Then straighten the legs, release the palms to the mat. Allow the head to hang loose. You can grab the back of the feet to bring your body closer to your knees. Grab the opposite elbows. Widen your stance and just swing from left to right. This will help you to release the tension in your back. And remember to breathe. Use your breath to help you with the release. And you can just bounce up and down as well in this position. And gently bring your palms back down to the mat. And come into Malasana, deep yogic squat. Bring your palms to your heart center. And you can use your elbows to push your knees apart to widen your legs to give you that deep stretch in your groin, in your hips, and gently come up. Hold on to the back of your feet, bring the head close in between the knees, and then release back into squat. And we're just gonna repeat that a few times. So release, straighten the legs, bring the head between the knees, and then back into Malasana. Straighten the legs, head between the knees once more, and back into Malasana again, and gently come to seated on the mat. Grab your knees, hug them to your chest, and just breathe here. Inhale and exhale, release. It should feel really great on your legs, on your back. Just inhale and exhale. Straighten the legs forward. Inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, down. Beautiful. Inhale, hands up over the head. Exhale, hands down by the side. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, down by the side with the hands. And you're going to reach forward. You can grab your toes with your two-piece fingers and the thumb. And just pull yourself forward as much as you can. And in this position, use your breath to help you to release. So as you exhale, pull pull on those toes and bring yourself forward as much as you can. And then gently release. Come to lie down in Shavasana. Palms facing up. You can gently close your eyes. Allow your body to feel grounded, hugged and loved, and just embraced by beautiful Mother Earth. Thank yourself for this beautiful practice today. And just be here for as long as you need to. Remembering to breathe. Deep inhales. Complete exhales. And you can either close off this practice with me, or you can lay down for as long as you need to. So if you are closing off with me, gently raise yourself up. Come to a seated position, cross your legs, palms facing up, close your eyes. Beautiful. You can rub your palms together. Inhale, place them over your eyes. Bring them to the back of your neck. Feel that warmth. Bring them down to your chest and bow forward. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful practice today, and I will see you on the next video.